twagize mu gutakaza intwari yacu niyo yatumye tuvuga, nico cyatumye twongera kandi kuvuga ngo ico yarahagarariye yari umutwe wacu, tugomba kandi guhaguruka kandi tukaba defiant, titwumva yuko tugomba guheranwa n'agahinda n'umwijima, kumva yuko isi turangiranye, ariko twebwe abasigaye tugomba guhagarara tugakomeza kwigwanaho.
That's right.
Rero mbahaye pole mwese, buri umwe wese ndabizi ko buri umwe wese umunsi zabaye ntawahamagaye umunsi, mwagumye mu mazu yanyu mukabura nk'uko muvuga. Uko byabagendekeye natwe nk'abayobozi niko byatugendekeye, ntago ari ibintu twari twiteguye, ariko hamwe n'ibyo tugomba guhagarara tugaharanira kubaho kwacu. Twebwe kuza hano nabashimiye, ariko murimo murakora icyo mugomba gukora, kandi icyo mufite umwanya, mufite ubuzima, mufite amafaranga, ariko abandi batanga icyo badafite, batanga amaraso yabo. Rero nimba mwaje nijoro mudrivinga ahantu kure, muva mu masiteka atandukanye, mugatanga amafaranga yanyu, mugatanga umwanya wanyu, ibyo bintu murabifite, mugomba no gushima Imana yuko mubifite, ariko hari abandi batabifite. Rero ntimwikubite ku gatuza ngo mwumve yuko mwakoze igitangaza. Turabashimiye ariko ntimwakoze igitangaza. Bakoze igitangaza nabamena amaraso kugira ngo abandi babeho, siko?
Yes.
So mbahaye pole, mushikame uru rugamba. Aha muri namwe mwumve ko muri kuri tere, muri mu gihugu cyanyu cyabahaye ubuhungiro. Hari impamvu mwahawe ubuhungiro hano, nukubera yuko ivyo abandi bagwanira kuri tere zatumye muza hano. Turashaka yuko abantu biwacu baba mu gihugu cyabo bakagira amahoro cyo kimwe n'abandi bakongomani. Tidushaka yuko twese tuva mu gihugu. Hari impamvu twaje, ariko twese twaje tutabishaka. Twaje turi impunzi, twaje tudashaka gutakaza igihugu cyacu. Abenshi muri twebwe twari abana, so ntani choice nimwe twigeze duhabwa kugira ngo tuve aho twari dutuye, kandi twari tuhakunda. N'impamvu duhaguruka tukahagwanira, kandi twaravuye kera dufite opportunity nyinshi hano. Nukubera yuko tuhakunda kandi twifuza no kuhagira, twifuza kugira aho siko. So ndashaka kugira ngo mbakure muri complex yo kuvuga akarengane kacu, yo kuvuga intwari zacu. Mureke mbabwire, Gideon yapfuye ari sanctioned n'iki gihugu aha turi. He was under sanction. Abandi yasigaje bose bari sanctioned, right? Ko muragenda mwumva amasanction menshi atangwa ku bihugu, mwe mukumva yuko bitabareba, mukumva rwose ko n'ibihugu barimo barabisanctioninga. Twebwe ubwacu we were sanctioned before bino bihugu bindi biba sanctioned. Gideon yari sanctioned, Sematama yari sanctioned, kwigwaneho yose. Abanyamurenge bose bari abamama mubona birirwa barira bababomba mu Minembwe, bari under sanction kubera ko nibo nibatwigwaneho, siko?
Right.
Nukuvuga ngo nawe nimba wiyidentify nka twigwaneho, you are under sanction muri kino gihugu, kandi uri umunyamerika utanga tax. So I think we need to be free of fear. We need to be free of fear, kuko nyuma ya fear n'urupfu, kandi urupfu ntawuri exempt, siko? So ndabashimiye rero, twaje hano kugira ngo twamagane akarengane dukorerwa nk'abanyamurenge, k'abatutsi, k'abahema, bikagenda noticed, bakavuga ibindi biri hejuru, ibintu biri surface, ariko abantu banyiri bibazo bakabibagira, ahubwo bagira ngo bavuge, bagira ngo bigwaneho, bakabapanishinga. So ibi bintu rero twese biratureba, mumenye ngo if we don't do it, nta wundi bavugira. N'induzi mu Minembwe wahageze, wahabaye. Nanje nari mbari muri 2004. Ara mu Minembwe ntabwo bashaka kubona n'izi kamera ngo bakore amamarshe. Bakoze amamarshe barabica muri Bukari, igihe bigeze kwica abagore bagiye kuvuga, abagore badafite imbunda. Muravyibuka? Muribuka yuko iyo abantu bagiye ku kibuga cy'indege barabagomba, bakazana amasoko bakabomba ikibuga cy'indege. So rero ntago bafite voice bafite ni mwebwe. Muri hano kugira ngo mubabere voice. So don't be afraid to speak up. Ndashaka kubwira cyane cyane urubyiruko rwitabiriye ndabashimiye. Jewe when I was in college, we how much go? Higher in particular bagize accident pole cyane ariko you guys are all safe, right? Ndashaka kubashimira. Njewe when I was in college, I don't know about you, since ibyo muza mukora muri college, you guys should be holding a protest kuri college zanyu. Right. You should be holding a conferences kuri college zanyu about kibazo cy'iwacu. Hariya niho muzamura abandi, you build the allies within colleges. Mu bandi banyamerika n'abandi bantu batuye muri bino bihugu. Mukavuga ibibazo byacu. Nimukaza mutegereza ngo community ibanze bahamagara hano kuri Capitol Hill. You guys are ambassadors in your college campuses. Mugomba kuvuga ibibazo byacu kandi amaklub yose yo mu campuses barabibemerera. Siko? So what's missing? Niki mubura murashaka gutumira abantu bakaza kubafasha gutanga ibiganiro. Mukabimenyekanisha. And you build abandi banyamerika babafasha gukora activism. Siko? So mumenye yuko bino bibazo it didn't start today. Somewhere didn't start when you guys heard about it. Zatangiye kera. This is why your parents n'abasogokuru banyu bataba mu gihugu cyabo, right? And then namwe murimo murabivukiramwo, murimo murabikuriramwo. So you need to start acting now. Mugatangira kubivuga mu colleges yanyu, mugatangira kubizana hano kuri Congress. You really don't need the permission from Mahoro cyangwa isoko kugira ngo mutangire gukora activism. Siko? So murambabarira twatinze dufite amanama menshi hano muri Congress kandi turifuza yuko muguma hano kuri grounds mukomeze mukore protest ariko dufite inama 10 o'clock na 11 nabo muri New York nifuza ko abantu bo muri Rochester bakiye baje ku ruhande turajana nabo kure mu representative wabo. Abantu bo muri Georgia nabo turabakeneye bafite inama saa 5. No decision makers kugira ngo tubaganirize ku bibazo dufite kandi tubasabe action. Turi abanyamerika dufite uburenganzira dutanga amataxe, we are law eza turi abakristu twarezwe neza, right? Abandi bafite ibibazo abandi bafite nimba bagomba kubikemura natwe bagomba kubikemura. So I just want to thank you. Muramba bari anje ndagenda ndo muri New York kuvuga ngo mu Congress dutangirana n'uwiwacu nanje ndabajamwo nabo muri Georgia. So ndabashimiye baraza kubahereza gahunda yose, dufite gahunda ndende uyu munsi ariko mwese ndabashimiye kandi mwumve ko turi kumwe kandi tugomba gukora ubuvugizi no kugaragaza yuko we are here, we're not afraid. Ibibazo byose bihari turabibona k'abanyamerika b'abanyamurenge bava muri Congo, we are also gonna stand tall. Tubivuge uko dushoboye. Murakoze cyane kandi baye mu gushaka yegereza.
Muntu waje hano kwifotoza sibyo? Turashaka kumva ijwi rya buri muntu wese. Ko turavuga we need kumva igice cy'abantu abandi sinzi icyo bakora. Sibyo?
Mahoro oye! Oye! Isoko oye! Oye! Hello everyone! Oye! Birwanyo oye! Oye! Mufite ubwoba? Mufite ubwoba? Mwakoze cyane mwese kuza. Ndashaka mvuge mu Cyongereza. Yes. Kuko twese turacumva hano, ndashaka ko nabandi batari hano bumva. Yes. Today we came here to stand with our brothers and sisters in Minembwe who are under constant government bombing as we are speaking today. We came to stand with our brothers and sisters in Uvira for the last month. They cannot go out and about, find something to eat because the city has been handed in the hands of Wazalendo criminals who are running the city as we speak. Yes. We stand with all the brothers and sisters in North Kivu, our Tutsis brothers. For several years have been forced to leave their homes and go to live in refugee camps in Rwanda and other countries in the region. We came to tell them that we stand with them. Turi kumwe nabo. Nubwo tutari mu nkambi hamwe nabo, nubwo tutari Uvira, nubwo tutari mu Minembwe, ariko twaje kubereka ko we are together in the suffering they are going through. Yes. Icho ni icyambere. And I thank you all for coming for that. Let's stand together with them and fight for justice. Second point, we came to tell the world, to tell the United States government that when it comes to discrimination, dehumanization of Tutsis, Banyamulenge, and Bahema in Congo, it's not a national issue only. The US government has to be involved. Fellow Americans have to be involved. It's a humanity issue. In 21st century, no one should be dehumanized, cannibalized, persecuted just because of how they look. This is what has been going on in the DRC. Tutsi, those who are called Tutsi, those who look like them, for the last couple of years have been killed, persecuted, jailed by the government in Kinshasa just because of how they look and how they are called and how they identify. There is no place for hate that's streaming every day in medias in Kinshasa. There is no place for dehumanization. There is no place for discrimination. All Congolese have the same rights and have to be respected and protected by legal and security institutions in the DRC. That's the message we came with today. That's the message we are telling the United States. That's the message we are telling the world. And that's the message we want the Congolese government to hear. There won't be peace in DRC when there is no justice. There won't be peace without accountability for the genocide going on and crimes against humanity. Let's stand together, let's raise our voice, and let's fight until justice is served. Thank you very much.
Girwane oye! Oye! Girwane oye! Oye! Mauro oye! Oye! Mauro oye! Oye! Isoko oye! Oye! Isoko oye! Oye! Girwane oye! 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 Oye!
Banyamulenge
Turavuga we need justice for Abanyamulenge. Turavuga we need justice for Abanyamulenge. Justice for Tutsi. And for Wahema. Congolese Tutsi. Congolese. Hey,